Aromatherapy for everyone, and essential oil today is Atlas Cedar. Never heard of this before, so this is all new to me. The Atlas Cedar essential oil, I have never heard of this one, so this is the first time I'm hearing of it. It says Atlas Cedar, warm, sweet, rich, and woody. The use of cedar oil can be traced back to biblical times. The Atlas cedar is related to the well-known century-old biblical cedar of Lebanon. Today, those trees are protected by law from being felled, but the constituents of Atlas cedar oil are very much like its ancestors and provide many of the same therapeutic benefits. Atlas cedar oil is used in many perfumes and soaps. It produces a calm, meditative state of mind and has the ability to relieve nervous tension, anger, and stress. When used in a diffuser, Atlas cedar oil can set a calm, quiet atmosphere, perfect for relaxing, meditating, and reflecting. However, its powers aren't restricted to the nervous system. Atlas cedar oil also works wonders in respiratory and immune systems and is great for skin. Tibetans still use it in their traditional medicine practices for a variety of ailments. Therapeutic uses for Atlas cedar is acne, aggression, agitation, air purifier, anger, anxiety, arthritis, asthma, bladder disorders, blemishes, bronchitis, cellulite, colds, coughs, cystic, dandruff, eczema, fluid retention, hair loss, immune system, insect repellent, kidney disorders, meditation, nervous tension, oily hair, oily skin, rheumatism, skin fungus, skin ulcers, stress, vertigo. These are the therapeutic uses for Atlas cedar. I am not a doctor or therapist. I am just telling you the knowledge and the information that I have. Essential oil applications. For arthritis and rheumatism, add 2 to 3 drops to 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage into affected area. Can also add 8 to 10 drops in bath water. For acne, blemishes, eczema, oily skin, skin fungus, or skin ulcers, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and dab on affected area. As air purifier, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. To alleviate aggression, agitation, anger, anxiety, nervous tension, and vertigo, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. For asthma, bronchitis, colds, and coughs, use 2 to 3 drops in a steam inhalation. For bladder disorders, cystics, and kidney disorders, use 8 to 10 drops in bath water. For cellulite and fluid retention, add 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage into affected areas. Can also use 8 to 10 drops in bath water. For dandruff or oily scalp, mix 2 to 3 drops with unscented hair conditioner. Massage on scalp, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. To slow hair loss, mix 2 to 3 drops in 1 ounce of carrier oil and massage on scalp periodically. To boost the immune system, use 8 to 10 drops in bath water or use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser. To repel insects, use a few drops on cotton balls and place in infected areas. Great for ants and moths, but fights against other insects as well. To keep meditation focused, use 2 to 3 drops in a diffuser during meditation. Atlas cedar oil mixes well with bergamot, clary sage, ginger, juniper, berry, marjoram, oregano, patchouli, pine, rosemary, rosewood, and ylang-ylang. The extraction method is steam distillation. Parts of the Atlas cedar that is used is the wood, stump, and sawdust. Safety information. Avoid if pregnant. Do not use if diagnosed with high blood pressure or heart problems. Possible irritation to skin in sensitive types. Do a patch test first because scent is stimulating. It may counteract the sedatives affected of drugs like pentobarbital. Do not use consecutively for more than a few days at a time. Do what is best for you. This is just information that I come across that I'm sharing with you. I'm not a doctor. Fun fact about Atlas cedarwood. The fragrance of cedar was believed to lead worshippers closer to God. Consequently, many temples were made from it. This is everything I have on Atlas cedarwood. Never heard of it before, never had it. But again, this is all I have, and I'm saying bye.